Olá pessoal! In our last lesson you learned how to use the definite articles in Portuguese. It's time now to learn how to use the indefinite ones. Welcome back to Plain Portuguese, where we'll keep learning how to use articles and speak like a Brazilian. Have you subscribed to the channel? Yes? Great! Left me any comments or questions? Not yet? Oh, then do it! Help me to help you. In today's lesson, you'll learn about indefinite articles in Portuguese, but most importantly, the main differences between the uses of indefinite articles in Portuguese and English. Vamos começar? The use of indefinite articles in Portuguese corresponds to the use of an in English, but unlike English, the indefinite article also has plural forms in Portuguese, which could be equivalent to some, as you'll see. Let's meet our new friends. Uma, uns, umas. So these articles have to agree in both gender and number with the noun they precede. Let's see a few examples. Ela está procurando lápis. So, she's looking for any pencil. Ela está procurando lápis. Ela está procurando uma caneta. Any pen. Ela está procurando uma caneta. Ela precisa comprar uns lápis. Yeah, some pencils, not specific ones, but she needs some. Ela precisa comprar umas canetas. Some pens, not specific ones. Ela precisa comprar umas canetas. In the examples given, note that we are not talking about specific, we are not defining the object, but referring to any pencil, any pen, yeah? Well, let's see some other examples. She's a good friend. Ela é uma boa amiga. Um dia, ela preparou um almoço especial. Comprou umas flores para decorar a casa. E convidou uns amigos para almoçar. Yes, we don't know who she invited, but she invited a few friends. Some friends, yeah? Convidou uns amigos para almoçar. Now that you have been officially introduced to the indefinite articles, it's time to learn some of their uses. The indefinite articles are used to emphasize exclamatory statements, as in, it was a pleasure to have you. Foi prazer recebê-los. O almoço estava uma delícia. A sua casa é uma graça. We don't often use articles when describing a person's nationality, occupation, for example. Eu sou brasileira, eu sou professora, no articles. Ele é americano, ele é advogado. Or if I want to say he works as a lawyer, in English I have a lawyer, but not in Portuguese, yes? Ele trabalha como advogado. Ela trabalha como veterinária. She studied a lot and became a vet. Em português, no articles either. Huh? Ela se tornou veterinária. Yeah? Ele se tornou professor. Use uns, umas when giving ballpark figures. How old do you think he is? Ele tem uns 60 anos. Ele tem uns 60 anos. Há umas 100 pessoas no auditório. Há umas 100 pessoas no auditório. A que horas a aula vai acabar?
Daqui a uns 10 minutos.
In Portuguese, we don't use indefinite articles in statements like, oh, what a fun game. We simply say, que jogo divertido, without articles, yeah? Oh, what a beautiful day. Que dia bonito. What a great class. Que aula ótima. If you thought so, then don't miss the next ones where you'll learn the prepositions with which definite and indefinite articles must contract, and that will surprise you. Thank you for watching another lesson and see you next time. Até a próxima. Tchau!